Okay, go ahead.
First, you need this piece, and then you need this 2 of these.
Okay, good close-up shot of which two you need. Okay.
Okay. Then you need this piece. Put it right here, and then another one of those, and then put it right there. And then you need this piece.
Okay, hold it up close to the camera
Put
so I
it
can
right
see.
here.
Okay.
And then you need, wait. Okay. Then you need this piece.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then you need one of these. Put it right there. And then you need this piece right here. And you need another one of those. And then you need this piece. Put it right here. And put it right here. Oh, I'm missing a piece. You need this piece now. Well, wait. I think that piece. Wait. You need this piece now, and then. Put it on there. There. Then you put this piece right here. And then, here's the Lego refrigerator.
Alright,
Okay.
okay. Cool. Okay, the end. All done?
Yeah, cut.